Alright guys, the challenge is over, and I won. I feel like I won too. Ugh. But, very lucky I didn't throw up. I almost did it twice. Lucky me. More lucky them. I know they would hate to clean that up. Oh!
This is what you get. You want to show it? 3XL.
Oh, look at this.
And we'll go up front if you're okay to move.
Give me a few minutes.
Yep.
And can I just get one more glass of water?
Yeah, I'll refill it for you.
Thank you. I got a shirt. The steak started off really good, really juicy. Then it was hard to even look at it. And as they're taking the last of the plates away, one more drink. Ugh. Well, oh, by the way, she stopped the clock, and I had 25 minutes left to finish, so, yeah. 20. Thank you. Well, with that food challenge out of the way, Jeremy's Kitchen is officially closed. Happy birthday to me. And to everyone out there in the world, have a very happy new year. Here's to 2023. Oh, bye.